Hello everyone. So we've finally reached the last question in exercise 6.4. That's question number 16. The function here is 2 into log of x minus 2 minus x square plus 4x minus 5. So f dash of x first of all would be 2 into differentiation of log of x minus 2 would be 1 upon x minus 2 minus 2x plus 4. Next, to find out the critical points, we equate the entire thing to 0. First of all, let's just take LCM. This would be 2 into x minus 2 plus 4 into x minus 2 equals to 0. X minus 2 goes on the other side. It gets multiplied to 0 and will become 0. This is minus 2x square plus 4x plus 4x minus 8 equals 0. Now we have minus 2x square plus 8x minus 6 equals 0. We can take minus 2 common and then divide it on both the sides. We'll get x square minus 4x plus 3 equals 0. We can split this up. X square minus 3x minus x plus 3 equals 0. Taking x common, x minus 3 minus 1 x minus 3 equals to 0. So we have the factors x minus 3 and x minus 1. So we get x minus 3 and x minus 1 equals to 0. That is, x would be equals to 1 comma 3. Now we need to remember here that we had divided by minus 2 on both the sides. Also that we have a denominator term, that is x minus 2. We had divided the function at this level. We had divided by minus 2, meaning, let's just rewrite that function once again. The function was actually minus 2x square plus 8x minus 6 whole divided by x minus 2. This was our function actually. We have just factorized this term to get the critical points in this function. Now for this function to be strictly increasing, we need f dash of x should be greater than 0. Now for this function to be greater than 0, we have to obviously write down f dash of x should be greater than 0. Now as we have calculated the value for x as 1 comma 3, what it says is that x is belonging to this region. X belongs to 1 comma 3, write in this way, or we may just write 1 is less than x less than 3. Also, we must not forget that the domain of fx is going to be 2 comma infinity. Therefore x would belong to 1 comma 3 intersection 2 comma infinity, that is x would belongs to 2 comma 3. Now for strictly increasing or decreasing, in our textbook it is given greater than equals to 0. So here we will be taking the bracket as 2 comma 3 closed interval. In this region it will be strictly increasing and strictly decreasing in x belongs to 3 comma infinity. Let's see how the number line would look like for this particular question. We have the values 1 and 3 by solving the f dash of x. Now the reason why we took the domain as 2 comma infinity is because the function itself was having log of 2 minus x. Now naturally this term will not be negative, hence that particular criteria, the domain would be between 2 and infinity, greater than 2. So just let's take a value 2 here and just indicate that it's going to be greater than 2 from 2 onwards. Now since the function, when we differentiated, we got minus 2x squared plus 8x minus 6, we have to keep that minus sign in mind while we take the vary function. Here it is going to be minus, this would be plus, minus, and then this would be plus. Naturally we will only be taking the values greater than 2. So this now matches with the final answer that we got. That is, it is going to be increasing between 2 comma 3 and it is going to be decreasing 3 to infinity. So that's all from my side.